With Teamwork Projects, you can easily integrate your HubSpot account with your Teamwork Projects installation in just a few simple steps. It's important to note that you must have the Teamwork Projects Chrome extension installed in order to use the Hubspot integration. So check out our video on that before watching this one if you don't have the Chrome extension. So to get to our integrations tab, we need to go up here to the top right and select the options drop down, and then select settings. And then from settings, we need to be in the integrations tab. And then down here, we can see the option to enable HubSpot. So if we're not already logged into our HubSpot, we'll have to log in first. And then once you log in, we just need to grant access here. And there we go. Now you can see in our personal integrations here that we've integrated with HubSpot. So now that we've integrated HubSpot with Teamwork Projects, we can now easily link any items from Teamwork Projects into HubSpot. So you can see, for instance, here in the tasks tab that we can just hover over a task and we have our HubSpot icon here. And then we can easily just link to HubSpot. We can choose what we link to here. So I'll just go with deal. And then below this, we can choose our deal. So I'll just go with the newsletter deal here. And then we just need to select link. And now our task is linked with HubSpot. And we can easily do this with messages, milestones, and more. Looking over quickly now at HubSpot, and you'll see that up here on the top right, we have a teamwork option, where from HubSpot, we can create tasks, milestones, messages, notebooks. We can add calendar events, start a timer, save a link, we can log time, add a new project, and even add a new task list. And that's it. That's all you need to know to be able to integrate HubSpot with Teamwork Projects.